What's up you guys? Welcome back to a new video on the TristArtist channel. I'm happy that you are here, and today I will show you my makeover of my bathroom slash restroom. Tell me in the comments down below, do you call it a bathroom, restroom, toilet? I would like to know. Yeah, I promised you that video in my last studio vlog. If you haven't watched that already, please watch it right there or right there, it will be linked. But yeah, I wasn't quite content with the way the bathroom turned out. I love the wallpaper, but basically I only love the top part and not the bottom part, so I just don't like the tiles. I wish I could change it, but it is a rental, so we can't. Oh, and by the way, I cut my hair and dyed it, so it looks different from way back when I filmed the upcoming part. So that is why my hair looks different. And yeah, that was it. Let's go to the makeover. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss the upcoming bullet journal video. And yeah, that was it for this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye!